Greetings and good day to Dr. Azidin. My name is Adli Hakim and my group member is Azurul Kami. So we will present our assignment 2 entitled Mathematical Model and Simulation of a Separately Excited DC Motor by using MATLAB Simulink. So for the introduction part, MATLAB consisted of additional Simulink which function to implement model-based design and graphical multi-domain solution for dynamic and embedded systems. A separately excited DC motor consisted of a field circuit that supplied from a separate constant voltage power supply. The armature current does not flow through the field windings because the field is energized from a separate external source of DC current. In relation to the approach of application to the electrical drive, the model and simulation of DC motor derived in the MATLAB Simulink environment act as the objective of this study. The varying value of the motor input parameters such as the armature voltage, field current and load torque were used in analysis and observation of the motor steady state and dynamic performances.
For the methodology, the table shown in the parameter used in the simulation of DC motor drive. For the calculation model, the calculation and the formula will be shown. So this is other parameter that we use in the simulation. And this is the calculation result. So the formula used is V equal to IR, KD equal to LAF times IF, TE equal to top load plus B omega means the speed omega m. So we have another formula for the top, that is KT times IA, and we use the EMF formula, that is EA equal to VA minus IARA, and another formula is KB omega m. So the KB is equal to KT, the constant torque. So when we use and we substitute all the parameter given, so we have both equation, so we can solve for the IA and we can solve for the EM. So the speed are 133.33 radian per second, the IA is 7.41 milliampere, the torque is 0.0133 newton. As for the IF, it's equal to 1 ampere. That is for the condition 1. For the condition 2, the IF is the same, and we use the same formula for the condition 2 and the condition 3.
In the analysis of the dynamic performance during starting from the MATLAB Simulink and calculation, the value for the parameters and output for both methods were the same due to the steady state calculation of DC motor by calculation and the change value of armature voltage from 0 to 240 volt at 1 second. The value of electromagnetic torque, which is TE, was small due to the small armature current IA supplied, which defines the lower the IA, the lower the TE. The rotor speed, which is omega m, produce high speed due to the high armature voltage. As in dynamic performance during sudden changes in torque, the analysis shows increasing value of IA and TE after 4 seconds. This is due to the increasing value of load torque, which is TL, from 0 Nm to 2 Nm when it reaches 4 seconds. Thus, the value of IA increased, which then increasing the value of TE. As for the rotor speed, omega n, its value was still the same from the previous condition during starting, which is at 133 radian per second. This is because both conditions have the same value of armature voltage, which is 240 volt. From the analysis of dynamic performance during sudden changes in armature voltage, it shows significant difference of decreasing value of rotor speed compared to the first two conditions of dynamic performances. This is due to the decreased value of armature voltage from 240 volt to 120 volt. So, the lower the armature voltage, the lower the rotor speed due to the insufficient supply from the voltage supply to maximize the speed performance of the DC motor. The armature current remains the same in value, although there are changes in voltage supply. Therefore, the combination of the simulation results and the calculation produce similar outcomes.
For the conclusion, the mathematical model and the simulation DC motor drive in the MATLAB are performed. So the result in the simulation and the mathematical model are almost identical. Almost identical because of the calculation. So we made the calculation using only 3 significant figures. So it will be the same if we use all the significant figures in the calculation. That's all.